Alright, let's solve this equation for t. So I want to get t by itself. So to get t by itself, first thing I need to do is get that 3 off. So since 3 is multiplied by the square root, we are going to divide by 3 to get it off. So divide both sides by 3. Alright, so I now have a divided by 3 equals the square root of t over 5. Now, how to get rid of a square root? Well, the opposite of square rooting is squaring. So I'm going to square both sides. So let's square both of these sides. And that gives us I'm going to put a squared over 9, because we're going to square the top and square the bottom, equals t over 5. Now, again, I squared top and bottom, and the square root of 3 is 9. Now I got to get 5 off. So you get rid of this 5, you get t by itself. It's divided, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. And once I do that, I now have t equals, sorry, I switched this side, and that would be 5a squared over 9. That is t. Again, I just switch-swapped the sides of these. Now for this problem, I want to get x by itself because we're solving for x. So, to get rid of that 27 off the x cubed, I need to divide it off because it's held by multiplication. So let's divide both sides by 27. That cancels. So now I have v divided by 27 is equal to x cubed. Now how do you get rid of this x cubed? Well, to get rid of a cubed, you want to cube root or 1/3 power. Whatever makes more sense. Now for this one, I'm going to do a 1/3 power. Actually, no, let's just cube root. I'm just going to cube root to get rid of it. Change my mind. So let's cube root both sides. That will give us the x drops out. That gives us the cube root of v over the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So x is equal to the cube root of v over 3. Alright, so the cube root of v over 3 would be x.